Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 15th. We are looking at the Euro USD pair on the 4-hour time frame. You can see longer term trend headed to the downside. Recently it broke and closed above that and shifted to the upside. However, I do believe that we're going to see it turn on around and move to the downside. What I'm looking for is basically a short close below this line on the lower time frames, maybe the 15-minute time frame. Use a stop loss up in this region, either the high or if it goes even higher, use the trend line as your stop loss. And then look for it to come on down to our trend line here for the take profit. Now what that looks like, let me zoom in. You can take a look at it from a little bit closer vantage point. We have currently a short around the 127.50 mark. And using the high, that would be a stop loss of 48 pips. If we use the trend line about 70, looking to come on down to about the 81 pip range. So risk to reward is better than 1-to-1, a little bit better than 1-to-1 here. So that is what I'm looking for during this next session. Now, as far as news analysis go, no significant news announcements going into this next session. We don't really have any big news coming out. Now, as far as ranges go, the U.S.-Japanese yen pair, we're looking for it to move up, hit some resistance around the 81.50 mark, possibly moving down, hitting support around 80.50. Now, the Euro-USD pair, this pair moved to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 128.52, possibly as low as 126.65. Look for some resistance around 128.50, and look for some support around 126.95. Now the pound-US dollar pair reversed, closed higher. I believe we're still in a downtrend. Look for it to potentially go as high as 159.25, possibly as low as 157.75. Look for some resistance around 159.00 and look for some support around 158.15. Now the US Swiss closed lower during this last session. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9500. Possibly down to 0.9366. Look for some resistance around 0.9465 and look for some support around 0.9375. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.